Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Thursday, 30th of July, 30th of July, 2025. Today our topic is climate change. As usual, you can read after me, ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Noun. The first one is climate change. Mufid,
Yeah.
follow me, ya.
Yeah.
Climate change,
Climate change,
perubahan iklim.
perubahan iklim,
Pollution,
pollution,
polusi,
polusi, polusi,
air,
air,
udara,
udara,
car,
car,
mobil,
mobil,
factory,
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 pabrik,
pabrik,
fuel,
fuel, bahan bakar,
bahan bakar. Oke. Heat,
heat,
panas,
panas,
temperatur,
temperature,
suhu,
suhu,
atmosfer,
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 ice,
ice,
es,
es,
sea level,
sea level,
permukaan laut,
permukaan laut,
flood,
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 flood with a, flood,
flood,
yes, banjir,
banjir,
storm,
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 badai,
badai,
drought,
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 kekeringan,
kekeringan,
forest,
forest,
hutan,
hutan,
spesies,
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 habitat,
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 energy,
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 energi,
energy,
tree,
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 pohon,
pohon,
earth,
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 bumi.
bumi,
Okay, now it's your turn. Read the English now.
climate change,
Climate change, okay.
pollution,
Pollution,
air,
air,
car,
car,
factory,
factory, okay, good.
fuel,
Fuel,
heat,
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 okay.
temperature,
Temperature,
atmosphere,
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 yes.
ice,
Ice,
sea level,
level,
flood, flood,
flood, flood,
flood,
yes,
flood,
yes. Storm,
storm, drought,
drought,
forest,
forest, okay. Good.
species,
Species,
habitat,
habitat, okay.
energy,
Energy,
tree,
tree, and last,
earth,
earth. Okay, good. How do we say perubahan iklim in English?
climate change,
How do we say permukaan laut?
sea level,
What's the meaning of drought?
kekeringan,
How do we say earth?
bumi,
Okay, and the last, how do we say banjir in English?
flood,
Flood. Okay, good. Let's move on to verb. You can follow me, ya. Change,
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 berubah,
berubah,
cause,
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 menyebabkan,
menyebabkan,
trap,
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 menjebak,
menjebak,
rise,
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 naik,
naik,
melt,
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 mencair,
mencair,
flood,
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 membanjiri,
membanjiri,
experience,
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 mengalami,
mengalami,
affect,
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 memengaruhi,
memengaruhi,
lose,
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 kehilangan,
kehilangan,
cut down,
cut down,
cut down,
cut down,
menebang,
menebang,
reduce,
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 mengurangi,
mengurangi,
recycle,
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 mendaur ulang,
mendaur ulang,
save,
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 menghemat,
menghemat,
protect,
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 melindungi,
melindungi,
absorb,
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 menyerap,
menyerap,
use,
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 menggunakan,
menggunakan,
plan,
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 menanam,
menanam,
become,
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 menjadi,
menjadi,
help,
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 membantu,
membantu,
make,
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 membuat.
membuat,
Okay, now it's your turn. Get the English.
change,
Change, okay.
house,
Cause,
trap,
trap, good.
rise,
Rise,
melt,
melt,
flu,
fall,
flood,
flood,
experience,
experience,
affect,
affect,
lose,
lose,
cut down,
cut down,
reduce,
reduce, good.
recycle,
Recycle, good.
save,
Save, okay, good.
protect,
Protect,
absorb,
absorb,
use,
use,
plant,
plant,
become,
become,
help,
help,
make,
make. Okay, good. I wanna ask, what's the meaning of cut down?
menebang,
What's the meaning of become?
menjadi,
How do we say menyerap in English?
absorb,
How do we say mendaur ulang in English?
recycle,
And the last, how do we say memengaruhi in English?
affect,
Perfect. Okay, good. Now let's move to adjective. Serious,
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 global,
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 hot,
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 panas,
panas,
rising,
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 meningkat,
meningkat,
extreme,
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 natural,
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 alami,
alami,
endangered,
endanger,
endangered,
endanger,
terancam punah,
terancam punah,
extinct,
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 punah,
punah,
harmful,
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 merugikan,
merugikan,
useful,
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 berguna,
berguna,
better,
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 lebih baik,
lebih baik,
dangerous,
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 berbahaya,
berbahaya,
pollute,
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 tercemar,
tercemar,
clean,
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 bersih,
bersih,
responsible,
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 bertanggung jawab,
bertanggung jawab,
possible,
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 mungkin,
mungkin,
future,
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 masa depan,
masa depan,
aware,
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 sadar,
sadar,
sustainable,
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 berkelanjutan,
berkelanjutan,
Gre-
berkelanjutan,
green,
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 ramah lingkungan.
ramah lingkungan.
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's go.
Serious,
Serious, okay.
global,
Global,
hot,
hot,
rising,
rising,
extreme,
extreme, good,
natural,
natural,
endangered,
endangered, okay, good,
extinct,
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 yes,
harmful,
harmful,
useful,
useful,
better,
better,
dangerous,
dangerous,
pollute,
pollute,
clean,
clean,
responsible,
responsible, okay, good,
possible,
possible,
future,
future,
aware,
aware,
sustainable,
sustainable,
green.
green, okay. Now is time to I ask you, what's the meaning of pollute?
Pollute, tercemar,
What's the meaning of rising?
meningkat,
What's the meaning of sustainable?
berkelanjutan,
How do we say bertanggung jawab?
bertanggung jawab, responsible,
How do we say punah?
ex, ex,
Extinct.
ya extinct,
Extinct. With ing. Extinct. How do we say terancam punah?
terancam punah, endangered,
Endangered.
endangered,
Okay. And the last, how do we say mm, berbahaya in English?
dangerous.
Dangerous. Okay. For all these vocabulary blocks, noun, verb, and the adjective, any vocabulary that you just learned yang baru dipelajari atau baru dengar, can you mention it?
Uh, is harmful,
Harmful, okay.
extinct,
Extinct. Can
sea
you write it?
level.
Can you write it in your phone? In the group?
Hmm? Wait.
Okay. There is harmful, ya. And then
Yeah.
extinct. And then what else? Wait, ya, move it.
Yeah. Harmful, extinct, and sea level.
So,
Sea level. Oh, yeah. Mhm. 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 Yeah,
yeah,
only this.
this. Wait. Harmful, extinct, sea level, and drought. Okay. So harmful is
Kekering. Harmful. Apa tadi?
merugikan.
Merugikan.
And then the extinct,
Extinct. Punah.
punah. And then sea level.
Sea level dasar permukaan laut.
And then drought is
Draft. Draft. Apa ya?
kekeringan.
Kekeringan.
Okay, that there are some new vocabulary that you just learn ya. Do you have any question before we next to another slide?
No.
No. Okay, next. Next, there is text of climate change, and the title is Climate Change and its impact on the environment. You can read after me ya. You can follow me. Okay. Climate change and its impact on the environment.
Climate change is and its impact on the environment. Environment.
Okay. The first one is climate change is one of the most serious problems on Earth today.
Climate change is one of the most serious problems on Earth today.
Okay. It happens because of too much pollution in the air, especially from cars, factories, and burning fossil fuels.
It's happened because of too much pollution in the air, especially from cars, factories, and burning fossil fuels.
Okay. This pollution traps heat in the atmosphere, causing the first this you can read first.
This pollution traps heat in the atmosphere.
Okay, atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperature to rise.
Causing the Earth temperature to rise.
This process is called global warming.
This process is called global warming.
Okay. Global warming has many effects.
Global warming has many effects.
Ice in the polar regions melt.
Ice in the polar regions melt.
Causing sea levels to rise.
Causing sea levels to rise.
This can lead to floods in coastal areas.
This can lead to floods in coastal areas.
Weather also becomes more extreme.
Weather also becomes more extreme.
Some places experience more drought.
Some places experience more drought.
While others get heavier rain and storm.
While others get heavier rain and storm.
Climate change also affects animals and plants.
Climate change also affects animals and plants.
Many species lose their natural habitats because forests are cut down and temperatures change.
Many species lose their natural habitats because forests are cut down and temperatures change.
Okay, some animals may become endangered or extinct.
Some animals may become endangered or extinct.
Okay. Next, to protect the earth, we need to take action. We can reduce pollution by using public transportation, recycling, and saving energy.
We can reduce pollution by using public transportation, recycling, and saving energy.
Okay. Planting trees and protecting forests also help absorb carbon dioxide from the air. Sorry.
Planting trees and protecting forests also help absorb carbon dioxide from the air.
Okay. In conclusion,
In conclusion,
climate change is real and dangerous,
climate change is real and dangerous,
but we can help reduce its impact by making better choices for the planet.
but we can help reduce its impact by making better choice for the planet.
Okay, now it's your turn. By yours. From
Climate change and its impact on the
environment.
environment.
Okay.
In fact, climate change is one of the most serious problems on Earth today.
Okay.
It's happened because of too much pollution in the air, especially from cars, factories, and burning fossil fuels. The pollution traps heat in the atmosphere, causing the Earth's temperatures to rise. This process is called global warming. Global warming has many effects. Ice and the polar regions melt, causing sea levels to rise. This can lead to flood in coastal areas. Weather also
Weather.
becomes weather also becomes more extreme. Some places experience more drought, while others get heavier rain and storm.
Okay.
Climate change also affects animal and plants. Many species lose their natural habitats because forests are cut down and temperature change. Some animals may become endangered or extinct. To protect the earth, we need to take action. We can reduce pollution by using public transportation, recycling, and saving energy. Planting trees and protecting forests also help absorb carbon dioxide from the air.
Okay.
In conclusion, climate change is real and dangerous, but we can help reduce its impact by making better choice for the planet.
Okay, good. So for this text, there are some vocabulary or words that you haven't know.
Coastal areas.
Yes,
Coastal areas.
coastal areas. Coastal areas
Yeah.
is like how do you say?
Dataran rendah.
Okay.
Like
How do we say coastal area? Gimana ya menjelaskannya? Daerah kutub,
oh,
daerah pesisir,
like
pesisir. Lebih tepatnya
pesisir.
pesisir. Yes, coastal area. Polar regions baru daerah kutub.
Yeah.
Okay. What else? Do you know about this global warming in
Ya,
Indonesia?
efek rumah kaca.
Global
Rumah.
warming, pemanasan global.
Pemanasan global. Ya.
Yes, pemanasan global. What else?
Hmm. Fossil fuels like what?
Yes,
Fossil fuels. Fuels. Fuel.
fossil fuels. Oh,
Ya.
fossil fuels itu pembakaran bahan bakar. Bahan bakar fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels berarti pembakaran bahan bakar. Is enough or
Enough.
enough? Okay. Do you remember, right? We already learned about the present simple, simple present, and then past simple. Do you remember about the formula for the present simple first?
Present simple is subject
Yes.
plus will
It's the
and
future. It's our present future.
present.
Present simple.
Present simple. Subject.
Verb.
Verb.
One.
Verb one.
Yes. How about the nominal sentence?
Nominal sentence. Subject. To be.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the object. Okay.
Object.
I wanted to you identify for this text what are the uh, simple present sentence in this text. Like the first one, climate change is one of the most serious problems on Earth today. This is a present sentence because there is subject climate change and then to be. Can you
Yeah,
identify
yeah,
what
yeah.
else
Today,
today?
yeah,
Where?
present. It is this at the ending of apa ya kali yang ini
Sentence.
yang pertama sentence yang pertama
Ini
ya kan
sentence yang pertama.
ya di baris kedua tuh ada Earth Today berarti dia nunjukin hari ini
Oh
berarti
ya,
itu
Earth today.
ya
Climate
present.
change, ya ini masih menjadi satu kalimat. Climate
Oh
change
ya
is one of the problems for today. Okay, what else?
uh,
Pay attention for the verb
ini this is
apa? Mana?
ice in the polar regions melts.
Melts. Okay, good.
Yeah,
In the first paragraph, there is one.
that is past sentence
Past
because has ini yang
Can you read it?
ini apa ini kan pas kan Miss, yang ini
Oh, has many effect. Oh yeah.
ya
For this, how about this? This process is called global warming.
pas this verb too.
It's verb two. Okay. This is a present. Cold.
Hah?
Cold ini cold ini menjadi
Pas verb three
verb two, but there is the indirect subject. Jadi ini jatuhnya passive voice, but this is the simple present, but in passive voice. Maybe you can learn in another time for the passive voice ya. Okay, what else? How about this? Climate change,
is present
present. What's the subjects? Where are the subjects?
climate change
Okay, and the verbs?
affect
Effects. Okay.
and the subject animals and plants.
Okay, there is the object, animals and
Yeah,
plants.
object
Subjeknya climate change. And also-nya itu adverb, kata
verb
keterangan atau kata pelengkap. Okay, what else? There is many species lose.
for lose verb one.
Yes, lose verb one. Verb
Yeah.
two is lost.
Oh ya ya.
Okay,
Berarti ini juga ya
simple present.
present.
Yes. In paragraph 3, we also have present simple.
Ini ya planting trees and protecting forests.
No,
No.
we
Ini nih we need you can to protect the earth. We need
yes, we need to take action. We
Hmm.
need to take action. Subject we, and then the verb need.
This verb one ya.
Yes,
What the verb two of
need.
for needed?
Needed.
Oh yeah. With ed.
Yeah, with ed. And then this climate change is real and dangerous. This is a nominal sentence. Okay. For the subject, where the subject for the sentence, climate change is real and dangerous.
Subject.
Yeah.
Climate change.
Okay. For the verb,
No.
There is no verb ya.
Yeah.
It is to be. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Nice. So do you have any question?
No.
No? Okay, next. Anyway, we still learn about past simple. But in the last meeting, we only learn about the positive sentence. We are not
Yeah.
learn about the negative and then the interrogative, yeah. So today,
I did it
yeah,
with Miss Pelia.
yes, good. What sentence that you have learned about this, Melia?
Hmm.
Future, ya?
Future, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So for the simple past, for the negative and the and interrogative sentence, I will share the formula. This, can you see in the chat box the formula?
Uh, yeah.
Yeah. If the simple past, the formula is subject plus verb to ya.
Yeah.
But in the negative, you must add, menambahkan did not. But the verb kembali lagi menjadi verb one.
Yeah.
Jadi kayak misalnya, they did not attend the seminar. Jadi subject did plus did not and then verb one. Ingat ya, kembali lagi ke verb one, tapi ditambahin did not atau didn't.
Miss.
Yes.
I have some question. When I play some games, I temu kayak dip baru tanda kutip T itu apa nggak, Miss?
Yes.
Kayak
Can
gitu
you
tuh. Dip,
Hi.
lebih. Ya.
Okay, wait. Oh, didn't.
Oh,
This.
tidak.
Didn't. Like this. Sama aja did not. Like did
Oh.
not. But it's the simple one.
Hmm.
Use some people some people usually read the didn't like did not with didn't and the type with didn't like this. Okay, so did
Ya,
not also the same with didn't, but it's the simple way, cara yang lebih simple.
ya, ya.
Okay, berarti ini they didn't attend the seminar like this. But don't forget ya to change the verb into verb one, not the verb two. Okay.
Ya.
Also the interrogative did subject and the verb one. Kayak did he submit the feedback? Apakah dia sudah mengumpulkan feedback? Gitu. And the nominal sentence just add the not. Kayak misalnya subject was or were tambahin not and then the noun adjective and adverb. Kayak they were not late yesterday. And the interrogative, were you tired? Were not juga bisa disingkat like this, weren't, like this. You can say with weren't, but
Or
weren't. But if you hard to say weren't, you just say with we're not, it's okay.
oh,
Okay, do you have any question?
no.
No. Okay, all good ya for
Ya.
this sentence. then. And then this is the example of past tense sentence. The first one, the temperature rose quickly last summer. This is the positive ya. Look, rose is the verb to of rise. Where is
Ya,
that? Rise, rose ya. And then I didn't, you can say I didn't ya. I didn't experience a flood in my area last week. Look, experience, verb one, not experience with ed ya.
ya.
And then number three, did the sea level rise last year? Is also with verb one, not using rose. Okay, did you get
Oke.
it? Okay, now it's time to write
Give
the
me
sentence.
Indonesian kalimat Miss. Dan nanti ada yang gitu. Kalimat Indonesia gitu.
Yes.
Kayak apa? Kasih ininya bahasa Indonesia nanti aku terjemahin.
Oh, boleh, boleh, boleh. Kalau misalnya, hmm, wait, hmm, menanam pohon membantu membantu. Bentar, wait. I will thinking about the sentence. Oke, hutan membantu kehidupan masa depan. What in Indonesia? What in English?
Itu ini Miss. Apa? Pakai pas.
Past tense.
Oke. Hmm. Eh, this voice.
Oke, forests help the future life. Betul. Kalau misalnya badai merusak banyak rumah.
Itu negatif. Positif apa negatif, Miss?
Badai merusak banyak rumah. Itu kalimat positif. Kalau kalimat negatif berarti ada kata tidak. Oke?
Tadi badai.
Badai merusak banyak rumah.
Miss, I have question, Miss.
Yes. What?
Uh, when I say many house,
Many
uh,
house?
itu house boleh nggak pakai s kan di ujungnya?
Many house boleh, berarti nggak pakai s. Kalau misalnya nggak pakai many, berarti houses.
Oh,
Oke.
I said it. So,
So, destroy many house. Don't forget to add verb two. Destroy is
oh yeah,
verb
destroy it.
one or verb two? It's the verb one ya.
Yang destroyed many house.
Many house. Oke. Next. Kami menanam pohon di hutan minggu lalu. Don't forget to create the positive, the negative, and then the interrogative. Okay? Kami menanam pohon di hutan kemarin.
Okay.
Okay, for the positive sentence. What if for the negative and the interrogative?
Okay. Take business.
Yes, good. Next. Udara kemarin panas. Udara kemarin panas. Anyway, don't forget ya to send the sentence all of the sentence into group ya.
Yeah. Gini bisa, Miss.
Yesterday the air was hot. Maybe the yesterday put into the last. The air
Okay.
was hot yesterday. And then don't forget to create the negative and then the interrogative ya.
Then, if the air.
And the next,
Miss,
yes,
kalau ini, kalau the air was not gitu.
was not. Yes, was not. You can read the formula.
Yeah.
this. For the nominal, just add not after was or were. Cuma tinggal tambahkan not setelah was atau were. Yes. Another sentence. Kamu menghemat listrik kemarin. Oh no, kamu menghemat listrik minggu lalu.
Apa tadi Miss contohnya?
Kamu menghemat listrik minggu lalu.
Listrik,
Kamu menghemat listrik minggu lalu.
listrik, ya, listrik,
Electricity.
electricity.
Yes.
Tulisannya gimana, Miss?
Electric I E
Elect,
L
L,
E L E C.
yeah, I will get it.
Yes.
Electricity.
Yes.
Kemarin loh,
Minggu lalu.
minggu lalu.
For the next sentence, I will type in chat box ya. Okay. I give you 5 sentence again. This is the last. You can create the negative, the positive, and then the interrogative. Okay?
Miss, bahasa Inggrisnya merugikan.
Merugikan.
Ya.
There is no in the box, in the verb box.
Hmm. No, no,
No.
no.
Disadvantage like this. Like this. I will type in chat box.
Hmm. Oke, Miss.
Okay, wait. The factory was not responsible about not responsible for the number one. The factory was not responsible. Oh ya, pabrik itu tidak bertanggung jawab, but bertanggung jawab atas polusi.
Oh iya.
I I also forgot
Oh,
to type jawab, just bertanggung. Sorry,
oh.
bertanggung jawab atas polusi. So, the factory was
Atas polusi, about pollution ya.
for pollution, was not responsible for pollution.
High was so high pakai T atau enggak, Miss?
Yes? No.
Yang high,
Hi.
HIGH.
Yes. Not EST. How about with in negative? This kalimat, this sentence in the negative sentence?
Lagi na-periksa.
Okay. Are you writing for the negative sentence, right?
Hah?
Are you writing the are you typing for the negative sentence, right?
Only yang disuruh tadi.
Yes?
Only yang disuruh.
Okay.
Enggak.
Now I want to you type for the negative and the interrogative. This kan positive ya, only the positive. Now it's time to your create atau you just say it if you're not to writing, if you're not to typing. The
Okay.
factory was not responsible. So in the negative, how do we say in the negative?
The factory.
And this negative ya. So in the positive,
Uh, the factory was responsible
yes, was responsible about the pollution.
about the pollution. Yeah.
Okay, next for the number two,
Atmosphere
atmosphere. Okay,
was not
this
this
was
sentence
yeah
itu purpose
was not defined.
atau
Yes, this is verb.
was not different for animals.
Okay,
This
storm
storm
was
was not destroy many house. The animals oh,
what
was not dangerous.
wasn't dangerous. Okay,
Temperature was not so high.
so hard. Okay, well, how about the interrogative
And was the factory responsible?
about the pollution? Okay, next.
Yeah. Was eh was atmosphere disadvantage for animals?
Okay,
Um, was storm destroy many house?
then
Um, was the animals dangerous? In ya harus ada in guys.
Yes,
Harus ada in.
for not for the number one. For the
That
sentence.
animals was in dangerous.
That animals was dangerous, not use in.
Oh, okay.
Was that animals what's that animals dangerous?
Ya.
Ada kali yang misalnya dari sana
Gitu mas. Kalau yang ini was temperature so high.
Yes, was temperature was so high. Was temperature so high? Okay. So you already know ya about the formula for the positive, negative, and then the interrogative. So I have some sentence that you have to guess. Harus this. I have 15 sentence that have you guess. Harus tebak. This sentence is the positive, and then this is the nominal or verbal. Did you get it?
No. Yes. Number one, the temperature was extremely high. Is the verbal sentence and simple past. Okay.
Verbal
Was
sentence.
nominal.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then this is
They
the
planted trees on the village. Mereka ini juga positif dan verbal tense.
why this is the verbal sentence.
Planted
Yes, there is planted.
is verb two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number
The
3.
factory was not responsible is negative sentence and nominal sentence.
Okay, why this is nominal?
Is to be was
Yeah, there is to be was. Okay.
did the sea level rise last year in interrogative
Interrogative.
because the did in
Yeah, your voice is unclear. Maybe the connection.
di awal gitu.
Yes, can you
Iya.
repeat? Can you repeat this because your voice is unclear?
Did the sea level rise last year? Is
Yes.
the interrogative sentence
Interrogative. Okay.
and
Verbal or nominal?
verbal rise.
Yeah, rise. Okay, good. Number 5.
She did not experience the flu.
The flood.
Is negative
Yes.
and verbal experience.
Yeah, there is a verbal. Okay.
Number 6,
Number
the air was not during the
afternoon.
Use the nominal sentence and negative.
Okay, good.
Did you recycle the plastic bottles? Use interrogative and verbal sentence. The recycle.
Yes, the recycle. Okay.
And the ice melted very fast.
For the number 8 first.
On number 8, we
Yes.
use clean energy for the project.
Yes.
Use verbal sentence and positive.
Okay. Why this is the verbal sentence?
Use it.
Use. Okay, good. Number 9.
The ice melt very fast is verbal sentence
Yes.
and positive.
Positive. Okay. Because there is melt. Okay.
Number 10, the atmosphere was full of enemies. this nominal sentence and positive.
Positive. Okay.
We did not make sustainable then this negative and verbal sentence.
Okay.
Nature
Number
where the
were.
species were the species endangered.
Yeah.
This interrogative and nominal.
Okay.
They did not save enough energy.
Enough.
Enough,
Okay.
enough. Now this
Positive.
verbal and negative.
Okay. Number 14.
This interrogative and verbal sentence.
Okay, good. And the
Number
number
15,
15.
the sound damage mean analysis is positive and verbal sentence.
Okay. How about the translate for number 1? The temperature was extremely high.
Mm,
Is the same with your sentence that you create. The temperature was so high. So,
the temperature
temperatur
temperature sudah
sangat
sangat ekstrim.
pas. Not there's no not ya. So, temperatur sangat
Sudah
tinggi.
sangat ekstrim. Sangat
Ya,
tinggi.
iya, sangat ekstrim atau sangat. Okay, they plant trees around the village. Anyway, village
Village.
is desa.
Ya, ya. Jadi mereka telah menanam pohon di sekitar desa.
Okay.
The factory was interesting sebelumnya. Perusahaan tidak bertanggung jawab atas polusi.
Okay. Did sea level rise last year?
Apakah sea level tadi itu permukaan?
Ya, permukaan laut.
Apakah permukaan laut naik atau meningkat tahun lalu?
Okay. Last sentence.
Dia tidak merasakan banjir ya.
Ya, dia tidak merasakan apa ya? Experience. Mengalami. Iya, dia tidak mengalami
Banjir.
banjir. Oke, good. Nice. Oke.
The air was not during the
Okay, for the number 6, the last sentence.
Number 6, the air, udara, it's not was hot, but itu panas.
Udara sangat panas.
During itu menjelang atau
Selama
selama
sore.
during afternoon, sore.
Selama sore berarti udara sangat panas sore ini. Okay, this is the last sentence ya. Okay, enough. Do you have any question? Because time is
No.
up. Okay, all good ya for this sentence. Don't forget to formula simple present, past simple, and then the with Miss Velia, simple future ya.
Yeah.
Okay, don't forget ya. Anyway, this is the last class ya with us.
Maybe
ya. Okay. Because time is up, we have to stop for our lesson today. Thank you ya Mufid for joining our lesson today.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you have no question, okay, I will stop this lesson today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you ya. You may leave.
Yeah.
Bye.